Hello guys, in this video I'll tell you when to start getting your driver's license. Most people can start learning to drive when they are 17. You must do several things before you drive a car or ride a motorcycle. These include getting a driving license, registering, insuring and taxing your vehicle, and getting an MOT. Before you drive or ride, you must have the correct driving license, be the minimum driving or riding age, meet the minimum eyesight rules, learner drivers be supervised by a qualified driver, display L plates. The vehicle must be registered with DVLA, have up-to-date vehicle tax, have a current MOT certificate, be roadworthy. You also have a minimum of third-party insurance that covers your use of the vehicle. This can be by a driving instructor or someone else who meets the rules, for example family or friends. Anyone you practice your driving with must be over 21, be qualified to drive the type of vehicle you want to learn in, for example, they must have a manual car license if they are supervising you in a manual car. Have had their full driving license for 3 years, from the UK, the EU, Switzerland, Norway, Iceland or Liechtenstein. You need your own insurance as a learner driver if you're practicing in a car you own. Your family member or friend will usually be covered on this. If you're practicing in someone else's car, you need to either make sure you're covered by the car owner's insurance policy as a learner driver. Take out your own insurance policy that covers you driving in the car as a learner driver. Some insurance companies require the person supervising you to be over 25 years old. Thanks guys, see you in the next video.